assembly.
Required. You'll lose your heads over us. Hi guys, it's Jenny here, and I have a secret for you. Well, how to explain it? I'll just start by saying, well, I'm not going to tell you how old I am. Don't you ask me how old I am. I'm not going to tell you. Don't ask! But I am over 20, and what happens when you're over 20, where I come from, is it's easier to just show you. Go! Ta-da! I bet you can't do that. Well, maybe you can. I don't know. It's genetic or something. Anyway, now I can try on different heads too. And I got one over there, so I'm gonna go get it. But really nice to meet you.
Hey, Jay.
Oh my God!
Hi! Hi, babe. How you doing?
I'm good. I just said hi to all the people and told them about our family secret.
You told them?
Yeah. Well, it's not like that baked beans recipe. Okay, go have fun.
We hope you liked our video.
Stay ahead of the game and subscribe to us.
Make sure you watch all our other great videos.
But be warned, if you don't, we could always use another head on our shelf. Is that good? My evil laugh, you guys? I'm like working on it.
You
okay.
could definitely use some more work.
Thank you for being honest.
Yeah.
No, I appreciate that.
Okay, well,
There's rolls for you. How about?
more like moo, like